Kelly, we're getting a lot of letters in the mail.
We're not.
We're not getting letters in the mail.
They are.
Questions about.
We are getting.
Everybody, all their clients are sending their letters to them.
They just forward them to our
Bridgeway.
address. Well, Kelly, we got tons of questions coming in, and this one is a special bonus question just for Jared. So, Jared, people would like to know, how old is our videographer?
Your videographer, I believe, would be around 21 years old.
21.
Wow. And how long have you known the videographer?
Since he was 4?
4?
No, 3 probably.
Yeah.
He was 3. Yeah.
Probably 3.
18 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
He was actually our ring bearer at our wedding.
Yeah.
I got a
That's
great
awesome.
picture of him carrying his little puppy down the aisle.
Do you have that picture?
Yes.
Maybe we can put that picture
We
in
do
the
have
We
that
do have some
picture.
pictures of it. He would not hold the
Yeah.
flower girl's hand, but he would definitely hold his puppy.
Yeah.
It was very cute.
It was very cute.
Yeah. so-
Long-time friends. That's
Long
what I
time
like.
friends.
Long-time friends.
Yes, and now business associates. Well, Jared, thank you. It's been fun having you.
It's a great partnership.
Yep.
I look forward to more success between the two companies.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.
I was going to say 29, but